Are you a ghost? Are you a ghost?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see the ghost.
So pretty.
So pretty. No, she hasn't taken a picture yet.
Huh? What are you doing, Ava? What are you doing? Ava, what you doing? Ava. Where's Ava? Huh? The bouncing ball. Ava. Where's Ava? Where Ava? Where's Ava? Ah.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
I think all 2-year-olds have bipolar disorder.
Yeah, it comes with the age. Oh, that's nice. There we go.